Our unity is our power. Our power is our unity. This is our hour, black power. So what we want to do is we want to think about how can we collectively come together? How can we collectively make a war stance on the position of us being victorious against a attack of mercenaries, attack of the U.S. government or any government. You know what I mean? For the fact that they want to what get prize money, mercenary money for capturing people that don't have vaccines, capturing people that have not taken a vaccine and that don't want to, that want to be indigenous, that want to be free, that want to say that I am a indigenous indigenous creature. And I stand by Dr. Sebi's court case saying that I'm only healed by natural plants. February 10th, 1985, February 1987 as well. The U.S. Supreme Court and the federal court fought against Dr. Sebi for him practicing healing with natural plants. He healed gonorrhea, syphilis, coronavirus, AIDS, and all the common flu, uh, all the common ailments that we find ourselves: cancer, colon cancer, heart disease, um, all the things that we've been going to the hospital for the last 100, 200, 300 years for, and not being treated, not being medically healed, but always just given a cosmetic solution by the pharmaceutical companies who are in bed with the oil companies, who are in bed with the governments, who try to rule and take over the world. We fight against these people and we say that we are indigenous and we are going to claim our freedom by any means necessary. If war is going to happen, we're going to take a war step and unify. Our greatest atomic weapon, our greatest weapon is our unity around the world, our black skin, our melanated skin. We must unify in saying that we are at war against the alien invader who's tried to take us away from our mother nature, our mother earth. And we're going to combine together our powers, our supernatural powers. We have all the metals of the earth inside of us. We got all the metals of earth inside of us: vibranium, coltan, gold, diamond, tin, phosphorus, limestone. You know, all the great things that we need to wage our warfare and to be successful at all fronts. We have solar energy. We have energy from the sun. We built the pyramids with the energy from the sun with magnifying glasses. We can use that to fight against these aliens. Use the sun. The power of the sun is our. We stand in the sun. We are the children of the sun, the people of the sun. We are the day walkers. They are the vampires that hate the sun. They can't walk in the sun. White people can't walk in the sun. The white devil has always tried to use and abuse us through education of eugenics, to Charles Darwinism, through race slavery instituted by the Catholic Church. We now say in the time of Revelation, the end of days, we are the people of God, the chosen people of Yeshua. Yes, Yeshua is inside of me, encrypted into my DNA. My DNA says that I am indigenous. I am free. I am my father. I am God. Me and my brothers and sisters are God on earth. We are the greatest power on earth. We're the greatest power in the universe. As we collectively, spiritually put our minds together to say our greatest power, our greatest antidote, our greatest weapon, our greatest reality is our unity. So we say that, then we say naturally we're going to create black-owned, black-operated corner stores as armory divisions, as military bases in every neighborhood. And we're going to fortify them. We're going to use solidarity with our own products, black-owned, black-operated, and black-supplied. Then we're going to say financially, we're going to use our barter system to circulate our wealth. We're going to use our technology. We're going to use our skills to forward our movement, to continue to solidify ourselves, to move forward in a war step, in a successful war, powerful, mighty, all-consuming war step. We're going to unify and we're going to take over the world. Our world is our unity. Our unity is our power, black power. Together we are always better, always of life center rehabilitation centers. We're going to give family, food, shelter, and clothing to all of our people around the world. All we have to do is give right now, as we are still in the matrix system of the U.S. currency or whatever currency. We're going to use $1 every month toward our ammunition, toward our war weapons, toward our real estate, ammunition, and gardens. $1 a month, 60 million, a billion people, $1 a month. We can do it every month. It's a blackout. Buy black every day. Stop buying from the white devil. Our unity is our power. Our power is our unity.